This A-premium transmission oil pan with gasket is a well-designed, direct replacement for 8-speed automatic units in many Ram, Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler models, making fitment straightforward for do-it-yourself owners and shops alike. The kit arrives complete with a built-in filter, fresh gasket, drain screw, and a full set of bolts, so you do not have to chase extra hardware or reuse tired old parts during service. Its corrosion-resistant plastic construction keeps weight down while still feeling sturdy in the hand, and it seals up cleanly when installed with proper torque. Having a dedicated drain plug is a real advantage over some factory pans, since it makes future fluid changes much cleaner and less messy. Once installed correctly, it does a solid job of stopping seepage and helping maintain proper fluid level, which in turn supports cooler, smoother transmission operation. Overall, this pan kit offers a convenient, all-in-one solution for refreshing the transmission sump on these vehicles without resorting to piecing together parts from multiple sources.